In this video, I'll show you how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. Start by signing into your Gumroad account or creating one if you don't already have an account. Next, complete your profile and set up your payment information so you can receive payouts from your ebook sales. After that, click New Product and select Digital Product. Now enter your ebook title, write a compelling description, and upload a cover image that represents your book. Next, upload your ebook file, such as a PDF or EPUB, so customers can download it after purchase. After that, set your price. You can choose a fixed price or allow customers to pay what they want if that option fits your strategy. Now customize your product page by adding additional images, product details, and any bonus files you want to include. Next, review your checkout settings and make sure everything is configured correctly. After that, click Publish to make your ebook available for purchase. Now copy your product link and start promoting it through your website, social media, email newsletter, or other marketing channels. Finally, monitor your sales, customer information, and payouts from your Gumroad dashboard to track your ebook's performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.